Goeiedag! Good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it's what I've been talking about all the time. I think the South African government have been covering up the situation. Apparently there are now 5 cases of the coronavirus in South Africa, although only one has been talked about publicly. And this is confirmed in independent news reports, where they say South Africa has detected 5 more cases of the coronavirus, with the first case being a 38-year-old man who visited Italy with his wife. We're told the entire family, including a friend of the couple, have been infected with the virus, and they have been isolated. This brings to 31 the number of coronavirus cases reported in Africa. Algeria is worst affected with 17 cases, 16 of them in the same family. A report by BBC says the South African couple, who have 2 children, were part of a group of 10 who returned from Italy on the 1st of March. Health Minister Zweli Mkhize said. Upon their arrival, they were visited by a friend and business partner of the man who first tested positive. All 5 persons and the doctor who checked them were all in self-isolation, he added. A tracer team has been sent to the eastern province of KwaZulu-Natal to identify people who might have been in contact with the man who was the first to be infected and the doctor, and that led to the confirmation of the other 4 cases, making it 5, Dr. Mkhize said. For now, South Africa is portraying its detection of the country's first 5 COVID-19 patients as a sign of success, as proof that the public health systems of the continent's most developed and sophisticated economy are working as planned. Now, look, my subscribers know what I think about the situation. You've got so many factors that are just working against controlling coronavirus in South Africa. Where people live, the townships, how people get to work, the taxi system. You know, remember the coronavirus can be passed on just by touching somewhere someone else has left the virus. Just the health system, the public health system. Who would want to go to a public hospital where it's probably going to be full of people with the coronavirus, not being attended to, just spreading it around to anyone who walks into the place? The whole thing in South Africa is completely cactus, guys. It's completely cactus. As I keep on saying to my subscribers, prep. Make yourself able to quarantine your family, because you might need to. And make sure that you've got 2 or 3 months' supplies of medicine, things like toilet paper. Here in Australia, toilet paper's run out. You know, most of the shops have run out of toilet paper now. This is the first thing that's been run on because of the coronavirus coming to Australia. Imagine what it's going to be like in South Africa when the people wake up to the fact that they need to prep. It's going to be an absolute shambles. Please, guys, just make sure you've got enough stuff, especially drinking water, to see you buy. Alrighty, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates. Please like this video. Please share this video. And above all, please stay safe. Bye for now.
Yes, it is true. It's my sister and her family. So they were all on a skiing trip, and they got back on Sunday. There was Saturday. There was 10 of them. So my sister and her husband are quarantined at the moment. The doctors are on their way to test them. Mark, their friend here in Hilton, has already been confirmed that he has it. The Rose Scots, who it's been confirmed with, their kids have not been to school. They are Kaunas kids, but they have not been to school. They have kept them home since they got home on Saturday. So it certainly is not that it is in and around Hilton. They've been really, really good. And like I say, all the families that were on the trip have been quarantined for the next 2 weeks and are all being tested. Yep. we just hold thumbs that the others don't have it. If they do, it just means that they will be quarantined and treated for the next couple of weeks. Once we know if my sister and Nick are positive, then they then start testing on, like my niece and nephew. They're not testing until the carriers are confirmed. So then it goes from there. My mum's obviously been in contact with my sister, and they won't test her until it's confirmed whether my sister and brother-in-law are carriers. Okay, dogs. Bye.